Good morning, student. Welcome to our English class. Today we will learn a new topics in English subject. He, his, she, her and it. To understand the concept, I write all details in notebook. He and his. He is used for male words in singular sense. Male words means boy, father, grandfather, uncle. Male words. You know about gender, right? Yes. And singular sense means only one. You also know about one and many. Singular means only one. He is used for male words in singular sense. And his is used with male words to show possession. Now let's see some example. This is Arman. He is a boy. Here boy, male words. So with male words we use he. He is a boy. He lives in Delhi. He is flying his kite. He is flying his kite. To show possession means kite, we use his. He is flying his kite. He is a subject pronoun and his is a possession adjective. Now, she and her. She is used for female words in singular sense. Female words means girl, woman, grandmother, aunt. Female words. And singular sense means only one. Her is used with female words to show possession. Now let's see some example. This is Payal. She is a girl. Payal, girl's name. So she is a girl. She lives in Delhi. She is playing with her sister. Sister is female word. So with female word to show possession, we use her. She is playing with her sister. She is a subject pronoun and her is a possessive adjective. It. When we talk about animal, place or object, we will use it. It is a cat. Cat is animal, so it is a cat. It is my school. School is place, so it is my school. It is a pot. Pot is object or things, so we will use it. It is a pot. Now open your English Phonics A workbook and take out your pencil. Open the page number 56 from Phonics English Primer A workbook. Write the date here 25 November 2020. Use of he and she. We use he to denote a male and she to denote a female. Male means boy, father, grandfather, and she means girl, mother, grandmother. Okay? Look and read and understand. Here the picture of boy means man. He is a Raghav. He is a Raghav. He is a doctor. He cures the sick. And she is Meera. Here picture of girl. So she is Meera. She is a teacher. She teaches in a school. Match the picture with the correct word. Here there are two words, he and she, and some pictures. This is a picture of girl, so you have to match with she. Picture of girls, match with she. Picture of boy means male, so match with he. Grandfather's picture, so match with he. Girl picture, so match with she. Man picture, so match with he. Man picture, so match with he, and woman picture, so match with she. Now come to next page. Page number 57. Write the date here, 25 November 2020. Use of his and her. His is used to show possession by a male, and her is used to show possession by a female. Look, read and understand. He is Rahul. Picture of boy. He is a Rahul. This is his ball. This is his ball. And his ball is in his hand. His ball is in his hand. Picture of girl. She is Tina. She is Tina. This is her frock. Her frock is pink. Tick the correct picture for each sentence. His dress is dirty. We will use his to donate male. So, you have to tick here. Her shoes are new. We will use her to donate a female possession. So, tick here. Her hat is fancy. Her is used to show possession by a female. So, tick here. And his legs are long. His is used to show possession by a male. So, tick here. Now, turn the page. Page number 58. Use of it. Write the date here, 25 November 2020. We use it to donate plants, animals and non-living things. Look, read and understand. Picture of hand. It is a hand. Picture of an apple. It is an apple. Picture of bird. It is a bird. Picture of pen. It is a pen. Picture of book. It is a book. Picture of umbrella. It is an umbrella. Tick the correct option for each picture. Here, this is a picture of girl. So, you have to tick on she. She is a girl. This is a picture of computer. So, you have to tick on it. It is a computer. This is a picture of dog. So, you have to tick on it. It is a dog. This is a picture of boy. So, you have to tick on he is a baby. This is a picture of woman. So, you have to tick on she. She is a woman. I hope you understand the concept of he, she, his and her. Once again I repeat, he is used for a male words in a singular sense. His is used with male words to show possession. And she is used for female words in singular sense. And her is used with female words to show possession. And we talk about animals, place or object, we will use it. Now come to page number 59. Picture story, the classroom. Write the date here, 25 November 2020. Here, this is the picture of the classroom. Look at this picture and fill up the blanks with the words given below. Here, there are some words given. We have to fill the blanks. I am a student. So you have to write here student. student, student. It is my. This is a classroom. So you have to fill the blanks with spelling of classroom. CLASSROOM. It is quite big. There are many students. So you have to write here many. MANY. Many students in my class. We all study together. Miss Sarita. Miss Sarita is my English teacher. So you have to write here the spelling of teacher. 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 That is her chair. Now she will write on the blackboard. This is a blackboard. You have to write here blackboard. BLACKBOARD. With a chalk. You have to write here spelling of chalk. 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 We all have pencils. You have to write here the spelling of pencils. 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 We will write in our notebooks. So you have to write here the spelling of notebooks. NOTEBOOKS. Okay? So look at this picture and fill up the blanks with the words given below. Now we will learn some rhymes from Phonics English Primer A workbook. So open the page number 3. Our first rhyme is Ding Dong Bell. Ding Dong Bell pushes in the well. Who push her in? Little Johnny Flynn. Who pull her out? Little Tommy South. What a naughty boy was that to try to drown poor pussycat, who never did him any harm but killed all the mice in the farmer's barn. Once again we will repeat. Ding dong bell pushes in the well. Who put her in? Little Johnny Flynn. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy South. What a naughty boy was that to try to drown poor pussycat, who never did him any harm but killed all the mice in the farmer's barn. Our next rhyme is I love you, Mummy Papa. Mummy and Papa, I love you. Come to me when I call you. Give me a kiss when I ask you. Mummy and Papa, I love you. Once again we repeat. Mummy and Papa, I love you. Come to me when I call you. Give me a kiss when I ask you. Mummy and Papa, I love you. Come to page number 23. Our third rhyme is playground. Girls and boys come to ride up the ladder, down the slide. Here is a seesaw and a swing. A bird is flying on her wing. Look, there's a big merry-go-round. Let us go round and round. Once again we repeat. Girls and boys come to ride up the ladder, down the slide. Here is a seesaw and a swing. A bird is flying on her wing. Look, there's big merry-go-round. Let's go round and round. Now come to page number 42. Our fourth rhyme is polite words. You know about polite words. Please, thank you, and how are you? Polite words will always do. Others feels good and you will too. I often use them. What about you? Once again we will repeat. Please, thank you, and how are you? Polite words will always do. Others feels good and you will too. I often use them. What about you? Now come to page number 54. Our fifth rhyme is colors. I know the colors for painting fun, green like grass and yellow like sun, orange pumpkin and white snow, a red flower and a black crow, blue like a mailbox, brown like an app, a pink lollipop and a purple grapes. Once again we repeat. I know the colors for painting fun, green like a grass and yellow like the sun, orange the pumpkin and white snow, a red flower and a black crow, blue like a mailbox, brown like an app, a pink lollipop and a purple grapes. Okay? Once again we will repeat. I know the colors for painting fun, green like grass and yellow like sun, orange pumpkin and white snow, a red flower and a black crow, blue like a mailbox, brown like an app, a pink lollipop and a purple grape. Okay, bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.